In the ever-evolving realm of digital content creation, YouTube stands as a beacon for creators seeking to share their stories, expertise, and creativity with a global audience. Enter the era of YouTube automation, a paradigm shift in content management that holds the promise of streamlining a channel's growth while simultaneously liberating creators from the constraints of time-intensive tasks. YouTube automation encompasses a spectrum of tools and strategies designed to optimize content creation, distribution, and audience interaction. This article delves into the intricacies of YouTube automation, exploring how creators can leverage these tools to foster sustained growth and elevate their channels to new heights. As we embark on this journey, we'll unravel the myriad benefits of YouTube automation, from time efficiency to enhanced analytics, demonstrating how it empowers creators to focus more on their craft and less on the logistics of content delivery. Discovering the right automation tools, implementing efficient scheduling, and strategically sharing content across platforms are pivotal components that will be explored in detail, providing creators with actionable insights to enhance their workflow. Join us in this exploration of YouTube automation, a transformative approach that not only simplifies the complexities of channel management, but also sets the stage for creators to unleash their creative potential and build a thriving online presence. #2. Benefits of YouTube automation. In the dynamic landscape of content creation, YouTube automation emerges as a powerful ally, offering creators a myriad of benefits that extend beyond the realms of time-saving convenience. Understanding and harnessing these advantages is integral to unlocking the full potential of automation for your YouTube channel's growth. #A. Time efficiency. One of the paramount benefits of YouTube automation is the liberation of time for content creators. By automating repetitive tasks such as scheduling uploads, social media sharing, and analytics tracking, creators can reclaim valuable hours to focus on the creative aspects of their content. #B. Consistent content delivery automation ensures a steady and reliable stream of content for your audience. With scheduling tools and automated posting, creators can maintain a consistent upload schedule, a crucial factor in retaining and growing an audience. Consistency fosters viewer trust and expectations, creating a reliable viewership that anticipates and eagerly engages with new content. #C. Enhanced analytics and insights automation tools provide in-depth analytics that goes beyond surface-level metrics. Armed with these insights, creators can make informed decisions, refine their content strategy, and tailor their approach to better resonate with their audience. D. Increased engagement and visibility. Automating certain engagement aspects, such as responses to comments or community-building initiatives, ensures that the audience feels acknowledged and connected. Additionally, automated social media sharing amplifies content visibility across platforms, expanding the reach and potential audience engagement. As we navigate the benefits of YouTube automation, it becomes evident that these advantages not only simplify the content creation process, but also lay the foundation for sustained channel growth to seamless content management. A. Content. Scheduling 1. Choosing the right scheduling tools. Selecting a reliable scheduling tool is paramount to streamlining your content delivery. Whether it's YouTube's built-in scheduling features or third-party applications, understanding the features, compatibility, and user interface is crucial. Creating a content calendar. A content calendar becomes your roadmap for successful automation. Plan your uploads, considering factors such as audience peak times, trending topics, and thematic consistency. Integrating with social media platforms. Automated social media sharing tools seamlessly connect your YouTube channel to various social platforms. Choose tools that offer easy integration with platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. This integration not only extends your content's reach, but also facilitates cross-platform engagement. 2. Automated sharing ensures that your videos are promptly disseminated, creating a cohesive online presence and driving traffic back to your YouTube channel. C. Analytics and Performance Tracking 1. Implementing analytical tools. Explore analytics tools to gain profound insights into your channel's performance, guiding your content strategy. 2. Interpreting data for informed decision-making. Interpretation of analytics is key. The synergy between automation and analytics empowers creators to make informed decisions, optimizing their content for maximum impact. In navigating the intricacies of setting up YouTube automation tools, creators IV. Optimizing content for automation. As you embark on the journey of YouTube automation, optimizing your content for this streamlined approach becomes pivotal for sustained growth. This section delves into strategies that ensure your content is not only efficiently delivered, but also tailored to thrive within the automated framework. A. Developing evergreen content. Crafting evergreen content is a cornerstone of successful YouTube automation. These are videos with timeless relevance, ensuring sustained viewer interest over an extended period. By creating content that remains valuable irrespective of trends, you set the stage for automated scheduling without concerns about content obsolescence. B. Utilizing templates and scripts. Automation thrives on consistency, and templates and scripts are invaluable assets in achieving this uniformity. Develop standardized templates for video structures, thumbnails, and descriptions. Scripts can streamline your recording process, ensuring a cohesive brand voice and message across your content. C. Incorporating automated thumbnail generation. First impressions matter, and thumbnails play a pivotal role in capturing viewer attention. Utilize automated thumbnail generation tools that align with your brand aesthetics. These tools can dynamically generate compelling thumbnails, ensuring that each video is visually enticing, even when produced on a recurring schedule. Compromising authenticity. V. Leveraging automation for audience engagement. YouTube automation extends beyond content delivery. It offers creators powerful tools to forge meaningful connections and enhance audience engagement. A. Automated responses and comments. Engaging with your audience is paramount, and automated responses can streamline this process without sacrificing personalization. B. Community building through automated features. YouTube provides features like community posts and polls that can be strategically automated. Plan and schedule these posts to maintain consistent interaction with your audience. This not only keeps your community informed, but also invites them to actively participate in discussions, polls, and other interactive elements. C. Personalization strategies within automation. While automation facilitates efficiency, injecting a touch of personalization is key to authentic engagement. This demonstrates to your audience that their preferences and interactions are valued, strengthening the bond between creator and viewer. By integrating these automated engagement strategies, creators can effectively manage and nurture their audience, fostering a sense of belonging and loyalty. As we delve into the subsequent sections, we'll explore the challenges and solutions associated with YouTube automation, ensuring creators navigate potential pitfalls while maximizing the benefits of automated audience engagement. 6. Challenges and solutions in YouTube automation. While YouTube automation presents an array of benefits, it is not without its challenges. Creators must navigate potential pitfalls to ensure a seamless and authentic experience for their audience. This section explores common challenges associated with automation and provides strategic solutions to mitigate these concerns. A. Balancing automation with authenticity. The challenge lies in finding the delicate balance between automation efficiency and maintaining an authentic connection with your audience. While automated responses are valuable for time management, creators must ensure that personalized engagement is not sacrificed. Address this challenge by selectively automating routine tasks, reserving genuine interactions for more personalized moments. B. Avoiding algorithmic risks. YouTube's algorithm plays a crucial role in content visibility. Over-reliance on automation may inadvertently trigger algorithmic risks, such as reduced reach or demonetization. To counter this, regularly review platform policies, stay informed about algorithm updates, and diversify your content to align with YouTube's evolving criteria. C. Adapting to platform changes. The digital landscape is dynamic, and platforms continually evolve. Automated strategies must be adaptable to stay effective. Regularly assess your automation tools and processes to ensure alignment with YouTube's policies and any changes in algorithms. Embrace a flexible approach that accommodates industry shifts, providing valuable insights for a successful YouTube automation journey. 7. Real-life success stories. In the intricate landscape of YouTube automation, real-life success stories serve as beacons of inspiration, offering valuable insights into how creators have effectively navigated challenges and harnessed the full potential of automation. These case studies illuminate diverse strategies employed by channels to streamline growth while maintaining authenticity. A. Channel growth. Through efficient scheduling. Consider Sarah's channel, a lifestyle and productivity vlogger. By embracing efficient content scheduling tools, Sarah was able to maintain a consistent posting schedule despite her busy lifestyle. This not only kept her audience engaged, but also attracted new viewers who appreciated the reliability of her content delivery. B. Community engagement with automated features. John, a gaming content creator, strategically utilized automated community features. By scheduling regular polls, updates, and shoutouts, he cultivated an engaged community around his channel. This not only strengthened viewer loyalty, but also provided valuable insights into his audience's preferences, guiding future content creation. See personalized automation for niche appeal. Emma, a cooking enthusiast, mastered the art of personalized automation. By analyzing viewer preferences through analytics, she automated tailored recipe recommendations and responses. This fusion of data-driven personalization and automation not only enhanced viewer satisfaction, but also contributed to the expansion of her niche audience. These success stories underscore the versatility of YouTube automation when wielded strategically. As we conclude this exploration, the next section will peer into the future, anticipating emerging trends in YouTube automation and offering creators a glimpse into what lies ahead in this ever-evolving landscape. D8. Future trends in YouTube automation. The landscape of YouTube automation is dynamic, continually evolving to meet the demands of creators and audiences alike. As we gaze into the future, several trends emerge that are poised to reshape the way creators leverage automation to streamline their channels and foster growth. A. Integration of AI and machine learning. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, is set to revolutionize YouTube automation. Creators can expect smarter algorithms that enhance content recommendations, personalized interactions, and even assist in content creation. AI-driven tools will enable creators to tailor their approach based on evolving viewer preferences with unprecedented precision. B. Advanced analytics for predictive insights. Future automation tools are likely to provide creators with more advanced analytics, offering predictive insights into audience behavior and content performance. This foresight will empower creators to proactively adjust their strategies, ensuring that they stay ahead of trends and maintain a competitive edge in the ever-expanding YouTube landscape. C. Enhanced cross-platform automation. With the growing importance of cross-platform presence, the future of YouTube automation will witness more seamless integration with other social media platforms. As automation continues to evolve, creators should stay attuned to these emerging trends. Embracing advancements in technology will empower them to not only meet current challenges, but also proactively position their channels for sustained growth in an increasingly competitive digital environment. In our concluding section, We'll recap the key insights from this comprehensive guide, offering creators a roadmap for success in their YouTube automation endeavors. Beneath, risks and pitfalls. While YouTube automation presents an array of advantages, it is crucial to acknowledge potential risks and pitfalls associated with this approach. Navigating these challenges is essential to ensure the sustained success and authenticity of your YouTube channel within the framework of automation. Fraud prevention measures. As with any online platform, the risk of fraudulent activities looms. Automated systems may inadvertently attract fake engagement or invalid traffic. Implementing robust fraud prevention measures, such as regular monitoring of analytics and audience interactions, helps maintain the integrity of your channel. Identifying and avoiding scams. In the vast digital landscape, scams and deceptive schemes can pose a threat to creators. Exercise due diligence when collaborating with third-party automation tools, ensuring they adhere to ethical practices. Be cautious of offers that seem too good to be true, and prioritize partnerships that align with your channel's values. Staying compliant with YouTube policies. YouTube has stringent policies to maintain a fair and ethical platform. Automated actions that violate these policies can lead to consequences such as channel strikes or demonetization. Regularly review and update your automation processes to align with YouTube's evolving guidelines, fostering a sustainable and compliant channel. By proactively addressing these risks, creators can safeguard the authenticity and reputation of their channels. In the following sections, we will delve into the community and support available within the YouTube platform, providing insights on connecting with fellow creators and leveraging available resources for a more enriching YouTube automation journey. Conclusion. In the intricate tapestry of YouTube automation, creators find themselves at the intersection of efficiency and creativity, navigating a landscape that holds immense potential for growth. From streamlining content delivery to fostering audience engagement, the journey through this guide has illuminated the multifaceted benefits and challenges associated with automating a YouTube channel. As we reflect on the various sections that unfolded the significance of YouTube automation, from optimizing content for efficiency to leveraging automation for community building, it becomes evident that this transformative approach is not merely a time-saving mechanism, but a catalyst for elevating the overall quality and impact of content. Real-life success stories provided tangible examples of creators who harnessed automation strategically, demonstrating the diverse paths to channel growth and audience connection. These narratives underscored the importance of balancing automation with authenticity, an ever-present theme in the realm of digital content creation. Peering into the future, the anticipated trends in YouTube automation hint at a landscape infused with artificial intelligence, advanced analytics, and seamless cross-platform integration. Creators are poised to wield these advancements as tools for not only meeting current challenges, but also proactively shaping the future of their digital presence. As we conclude this comprehensive guide, creators are encouraged to embark on their YouTube automation journey with a strategic mindset, adaptable approach, and a commitment to authenticity. May this guide serve as a roadmap, empowering creators to navigate the complexities, embrace the opportunities, and find enduring success in the evolving world of YouTube automation. Happy creating! Dive into the world of efficient content scheduling, automated social media sharing, and advanced analytics to boost your channel's visibility and engagement. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, this video is your roadmap to maximizing efficiency while maintaining an authentic connection with your audience. Learn from real-life success stories, uncover strategies for overcoming challenges, and get a sneak peek into the future trends shaping YouTube automation. Ready to unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel? Click play now and embark on a journey that will redefine the way you create and connect. Don't miss out. The future of YouTube content creation. Subscribe, like, and share to join the community of creators revolutionizing their channels through strategic automation.